Hello, welcome to New Cloud, and today we'll see about the namespace transformer. So we are creating a directory and we are creating two YAML files in that directory and one customization.yaml file. So why the namespace transformer is needed? So what namespace transformer does? Namespace transformer automatically add or override metadata.namespace for Kubernetes resource. So in one place applies to many resources and zero copy paste echo. So sometimes we forgot namespace in any of the files. So instead of defining the namespace in every file, you can create a customization file and you can write namespace there. So it will apply automatically to the all cluster, all files. So resources would be created. So before the creation of that files or resources, namespace should be there with the cluster. So suppose I have a deployment file and services file, and I have a three namespace: YouTube, Insta, and Telegram. So if I want to create these resources in YouTube, so instead of defining the YouTube in every services.yaml file or a deployment.yaml file, you can just define here and you can apply to here, here, and so it is very easy to apply. So thanks customization. Let's go to the demo. So I'll create first directory and here that new. Okay. Here I will go to the new directory and I can create a deployment file. So I will create it without the naming because if the namespace is there, it will override, but it will not override in the current if the resources already created. If resources already created, it won't touch because namespace is immutable properties. So I'll copy this. I have created two files, deployment and services.yaml. And now I will create a customization.yaml file, and there I'll there means only resource is the main priority what is required. Otherwise, you can write API version and kind, but they are optional. Namespace I will write YouTube, and then I will define resources. So resources, I'll use the resources, whatever the YAML file, and here I will deployment.yaml file and services.yaml. So WQ and let's say customize current directory because we are in the current directory and current directory we have the customization.yaml file and all resources. So sorry, PP plus sorry, I had mistakenly given the wrong name. So now YouTube is there and YouTube is there. But is the namespace already exists? So get ns. So here no namespace. So if I'll apply here, so just I can give this output to the kubectl apply -f and the standard in. So not because YouTube is not created. So what I will do, I will create the resource. I will create the name. Say create ns and YouTube. So now it is created, and now if I'll apply this, then this resources is created in the YouTube. So get deployment, get and YouTube, and then deployment. So is there in the namespace. I can hyphen o white. So you can see little more details. So thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll meet for the next